So ito yung orderin ko. What? Kala ko bigas. So kahit plastic board, may curing pa rin.
Engineer! Testingan mo na yan!
Ha? Ang bigat ng maso nila. Okay, ako muna. This is how they crash. Oh no!
Here at the House of Construction. Build with us.
Magandang araw Pilipinas, kumusta kayo dyan? So yun nga mga tol, I'm very excited kasi this is my first time na makakapunta ng isang factory na gumagawa ng mga PP plastic board. Isang warehouse na ando na lahat. Hindi lang yun makikita natin kung paano nga ba ginagawa ang Royal Santec PP plastic board. So alam naman natin ngayon na tag-ulan na para makaiwas tayo sa mga problema kasi typically kapag nagpo-forma tayo at gumamit tayo ng mga plywood, ng mga phenolic at tapos umuulan, ang tendency nun magwa-warp yung forma natin, lolobo. So ngayon mga tol, kukuha tayo ng pamorma na pwede mong makasama ng pangmatagalan. Huwag na natin patagalin to mga tol. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ma'am Aika, pwede na po bang masilip yung factory nyo?
Yes po, sir.
Tara, samahan nyo kami! So ma'am, ano po ba makikita namin dito?
Ito, sir, yung mga actual natin na board. Ito yung 15mm, 4 feet by 8 feet by 15mm.
15mm?
Yes po, sir.
So ito yung orderin ko. Ito po ba yun? Ah. Okay. So bali isang paleta po, mga ilang piraso?
50 pieces po.
50 pieces
Sa
ito
isang
ma'am?
paleta. Opo. And ito
Wala,
naman,
nakikita.
sir, yung actual natin na 12mm, 4 feet by 8 feet by 12mm.
12mm.
Yes, sir.
So bali ma'am itong 12mm, saan po ba ito most of the time na ginagamit?
Pwede siya pang mga column and beam,
Okay.
pang formwork, pang forma. Ayun po kasi pag tayo mga small budget lang, kaya naman ng tumbasan ng 12mm para
Kasi matigas siya?
Opo,
Yun.
para sa mga forma po.
Okay po.
Dito naman, sir, ginagawa yung board natin.
Okay.
Ito rin po yung mga raw materials. Meron tayong PP black, PP white.
Ma'am, ano po ba ito ma'am?
Ayan po yung mga pellet natin na PP white.
Pellet.
Polypropylene.
Ito na po yung polypropylene.
Yes.
So mga tol, ito na pala yung polypropylene. Yan.
Ginagawa po siyang pellet. Meron tayong machine na nagagawa siya.
Kala ko bigas. Ano ba ito ma'am?
Raw materials din po.
Ma'am, bali, ano ba yung magiging unang process niya? Saan sa lalagay lang doon?
Apo, dito po, sir. Naghahalo-halo na po sila.
Ma'am, ibig sabihin, dito nilalagay yung sako.
Yes po.
Tapos babagsak doon.
Babagsak po, sir. Pupunta din po siya doon.
Malalaki pa siya nung una.
Yes po.
Ayun.
Ito kasi, sir, is PP black. Dito po siya.
Okay. Ito pa mauuna.
Yes po. Ito yung PP black.
Ano yung tsura niya bago siya makarating dyan?
Ito na yun, sir, yung giniling natin. Ito kasing malalaki na to. Ito yung mga board natin na ni-recycle na. Hinahalo po siya.
Galing. Pupunta dyan.
Yes po.
Pagkatapos nito, anong sunod dito?
Pag dumaan kasi dyan, sir, yung PP black saka PP white, ito na yung pinaka-machine niya. Board na yung lumalabas. Iyan, sir, yung cutting doon sa kabila. Pag dadaan po tayo dun. Ito, sir, yung mga hindi pa cut, mga uncut natin na mga bagong labas. Bali, hindi po kasi porket lumabas na yung board, pwede mo na siyang i-cut. Meron pa rin siyang lead time bago natin siya i-cut.
Oh. Ano tawag nyo doon?
Lead time.
Lead time. May,
Apo.
parang may curing days.
May during days din.
Ilang araw po yan?
3 days, sir.
Bago i-cut.
Apo.
Bakit po kaya ganun? Malambot pa po ba? Hindi
Yes
pa?
po. Para talagang nakapantay na po yung
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it.
Ito na tayo, sir, sa cutting naman po. Ito, sir, yung cutting natin.
So, ibig sabihin, ma'am, after the curing days, kakatin, pwede nang putulan.
Apo. Nagamit natin na pang-cut dito, sir, is circular saw. Apo.
Okay. So, sa mga nagtatanong, ano nga ba to? Ito yung mga pinagputulan, ma'am?
Yes po.
Ayun. So, ano pong gagawin nyo dito?
Meron tayo, sir, mamaya makikita natin dun sa dulo. Nandun yung crusher natin. So, lahat ng nagamit na pinagputulan na to, dudurugin po natin dun sa crusher.
So, magagamit uli.
Para magamit natin.
Ayan. Ayos. So, yun nga mga tol, hindi porke nagawa na yung plastic board, pwede na agad putulin o pwede nang gamitin. Kailangan pa ng 3 araw. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes po.
So, kahit plastic board, may curing pa rin. Ayan. Okay?
It's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, running like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top, I can't ever take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame teams. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Testingin mo yan! Pasok!
May angas! Angasan nyo! Yan.
Engineer! Testingin mo yan!
Ha? Ako na naman?
Pasok! Pasok! Pasok!
Ang bigat ng maso nila.
Ice out the ranch, I just told
Wala. Ayos. Nalakas na yun. Baka maputol. Magbayad pa ako. Paano po tutupiin ang forklift? Okay. So ito naman mga tol. Ibebend natin. Tingnan natin kung gaano katibay. And then, isa pa, aangat mo naman. So yun nga, makikita nyo, guys. Wala kang makikitang bakas na naputol or nag-crack man lang. Then, itong likod. Oh, makikita mo. Yan. Unbreakable mga tol.
Ito sir, PP black and yung PP white, dito po siya lumalabas. Pag po lumabas na siya, magiging board na po siya.
So yung white and black, magsasama sila, magsasalubong, papasok dito.
Yes.
And then paglabas na, plastic board na yun. So tingnan nga natin, excited na ako.
Ito na yun. Mainit.
So ma'am, anong sinasabi niyo po kanina?
Ayan na sir yung board po.
So yun nga mga tol, andito na yung board. Ito na. Mainit-init pa!
Then naka-set up na rin siya sir, automatic na puputol. Kapag nakuha na niya yung tamang
haba. Ayun. So yun nga mga tol, bale ito yung pangalawang proseso. And then kasi ito, okay na yung board. Pero ito, puputulin pa. And then dun sa cutting section to pupunta.
Yes po.
Pero hindi pa pwedeng putulin kung wala pang
Deep dive yan.
lead
Wala pang
time.
tatlong araw.
Wala pang tatlong araw. So ganon ka meticulous.
Sayang, di makukunan yung ano.
Ayun o, pinuputol na oh. So once na naputol na, pwede nang i-deliver.
Yes po.
Ano naman to? Bakit may gumagano?
Same lang po.
Wala.
Dalawang machine yung meron tayo. Dito naman sir yung crusher.
So guys, so itong maliliit na to, akala nyo basura na, retaso lang ano. Pero itong mga retaso na to ay may value pa kasi ika-crush nila ito dito. Ha? Papakita natin sa inyo at magagamit pa uli ito. Ayan. Okay, ako muna. Ayan. This is how they crash. Labas.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't want it, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in
Isa pa, isa pa.
Engineer, testingan mo na yan!
Ha? Ate, okay lang. Go.
Pasok! Pasok! Pasok!
Parang kulang sa merienda to. Ha? Ako na naman?
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names?